In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 2x2 picture in Canva quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to head over to Canva's website. If you aren't already familiar with Canva, it's a versatile online design tool that's wonderful for everything from social media graphics to marketing materials. Now, once you've got the website open, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the homepage. Right below this search bar is an option that says Custom Size. Go ahead and click on that. When you click Custom Size, you'll be prompted to enter dimensions for your new design. Since we're creating a 2x2 picture, enter 2 for both the width and the height, and make sure the units are set to inches. Next, go ahead and click on Create New Design, and just like that, Canva will open up a blank canvas measuring exactly 2 inches by 2 inches. This is your workspace, where all the magic happens. With your new design space open, look over to the left-hand side of your screen, and you'll see a tab called Uploads. Hover over it and click to upload the photo you want to use for your project. If you've already uploaded the photo previously, you'll see it listed there in your Upload section. Simply drag your chosen photo into the canvas area and position it so it fits your needs. Now, depending on your picture, you might want to remove the background. To do this, locate the floating toolbar that appears near your photo once it's on the canvas. Here, you'll find a handy tool called the BG Remover. Click on it, and Canva will intelligently remove the background from your photo, leaving you with just the main subject, which can help your photo pop against whatever background you might choose to add later. Once the background is removed, you'll probably want to resize the image a bit to make sure it perfectly fits the 2x2 space. Simply click and drag the corners of your image to resize and reposition it as needed until it's exactly where you want it. Take a moment now to ensure everything looks right. If you're all set and happy with your picture, head to the top right corner of your screen and click on Share. From the drop-down options, select Download. You'll see a variety of file types you can choose from. For this project, let's select JPG, as it is typically a good choice for images with detailed color, like photographs. Once you've made all your selections, hit Download, and Canva will prepare your 2x2 image file for you. There you have it. You've created a custom 2x2 picture using Canva. Feel free to use this method anytime you need tailored dimensions for your projects. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other tutorials for more Canva tips and tricks.